What if your everyday chores were secretly helping build the robots of the future? Right now, thousands of people around the world are strapping cameras to their heads just to record themselves, cooking, cleaning, and doing laundry. But this isn't social media content, this is data, and it's being used to train humanoid robots that may one day live inside our homes. Humanoid robots are no longer science fiction. From walking and dancing to performing complex physical tasks, robots are rapidly becoming more advanced than ever before. But there's one major challenge holding them back: teaching robots how to function in real-world environments like homes, offices, and hospitals. Unlike software, robots must understand physical space, objects, movement, and unpredictability. And to learn all that, they need massive amounts of human behavior data. This is where things get interesting. Companies are now hiring people to record first-person footage of everyday tasks. These recordings are known as egocentric data, video captured from the human point of view. Workers wear head-mounted cameras and follow instructions like cooking meals, cleaning rooms, and gardening. They typically submit hours of footage each week, all of which is later analyzed and labeled. These data collection efforts are happening worldwide. Thousands of remote workers are contributing video footage. The goal? To capture as many variations of human behavior as possible, because a kitchen in one country looks different from another. Tools differ, habits differ, and robots need to adapt to all of it. Once collected, the footage is carefully annotated. That means labeling objects, tracking movements, and identifying actions. For example, what is a cup? Where is the hand moving? How far is the object? This helps robots learn how to interpret visual input and translate it into physical action. Training robots is not like training chatbots. Language models learn from text available online. But robots need real-world physical interaction data, which is far harder to obtain. Experts estimate that robots may require billions of hours of training data to become truly capable in everyday environments. There's always a trade-off. Simulation environments are cheaper, but real-world video data is more accurate. That's why companies are combining both approaches to improve performance. Recent advances show that adding large amounts of real human video significantly improves robot task success rates. Governments and companies are investing heavily. The goal? Creating general-purpose robots that can operate in the real world. Despite progress, challenges remain. Robots still struggle with unpredictable environments and safety concerns. Robots must distinguish between objects that look similar, but have very different meanings in context. The future will likely combine human video, simulations, and advanced AI to create truly intelligent companions. So next time you're doing chores, remember, you might be helping train the next generation of robots. And soon, those robots might return the favor by doing those chores for you.